Hi, I'm Richard Hilton and these are today's stories. Weaver Vale MP Mike Ainsbury is calling for an inquiry into mid-Cheshire rail franchise holder Northern. It comes as their new timetable comes into effect, which includes 2 trains per hour at some peak times. That's despite the promise of having that amount around the clock. The firm is blaming delays on a project in Bolton for the failings. The Prime Minister is visiting Jodrell Bank today to set out plans to use artificial intelligence in the battle against cancer. It's hoped the use of AI could help reduce the number of deaths by 22,000 a year by 2033. Medical records, along with information about patients' habits and genetics, will be cross-referenced against national data to spot those potentially at risk at an early stage. Littleout's face being caught out as police use dashcam footage to catch offenders. There are concerns over people littering in the region after using fast food drive-ins and takeaways. Police and Crime Commissioner David Keane singled out McDonald's customers for particular criticism. The constabulary has been discussing the effectiveness of dashcam evidence in road accidents, but also spoke about using it for other purposes. And a Cheshire teenager who was left fighting for her life after the Manchester Arena bombing has told us she's getting there. Freya Lewis suffered multiple fractures caused by shrapnel, and her friend Nell Jones was among the 22 people killed in the blast. She's had a number of surgeries and still has more to come. Tomorrow marks the first anniversary of the tragedy. That's all for now. There's more on your radio. Goodbye.